To find the area of this parallelogram, okay, let's say this is L, okay, and this is the height, okay, this is the height, H. Now, if you think about it, if I cut this triangle out, okay, cut this out, then what I do, I put on this side here, look, it fit perfectly in, alright, that's what that meant, and this is triangle, of course, because it's fit from here, put in this side. Now, and if you think about this, okay, I get these shapes. I put them together. See, there you go. I just highlight it so you see what it look like. See, there you go. See? So what shape is the shaded area? That's right, rectangle, right? So the area of this is now L times height. L times height. I just rewrite, okay, so why is L? Because this is from this length here is L, and so is this, okay, because opposite parallelograms are equal, so this is L as well, and this is height, of course, I put in here, it's the same, so area is L times height, okay, so in another word, if you want to find the area of a parallelogram, all you do is identify the two perpendicular lines and just time together, okay, so it can be drawn like this. It's in a parallelogram. See, look, so all you do, okay, it can be like this, and this is this line here, see, H, this is L, because two lines are perpendicular, so area of this, okay, is just L times height. We're gonna do a few questions, so let's see, okay, so let's go. So first of all, we identify the length that part perpendicular to each other. See, this is the length, see this one, and this height here, okay, this one, they're perpendicular to each other. See this one, these two lines are perpendicular as well. See, so this line is, the top is 12, so the bottom here also 12 centimeters. So area, okay, the area of this I equal L times height, which is two perpendicular lines, if you like. So which is 12 times 7, okay? So 12 times 7, so just 84. So your answer is 84 centimeters square. There you go. Okay, so area of a parallelogram is two perpendicular lines times together, or L times base, or L times height, okay, sorry, the L times height, or base times height if you like. Now look, this one, see, so you can see that, okay, the base is this, okay, and then the height is this, or in another word, these two lines are perpendicular. So area A is equal to L times H, which is 12.7 times 8.2. Okay, so which is equal to, I just moved it up, sorry, I ran out of space. So which is equal to 104.14 centimeters square. Now, because the question, if you look at it, the question actually give you 1 decimal places, so we better write in 1 decimal place. If you write 104.14 is still alright, it's nothing wrong with that, but to be consistent, because I give you 1 decimal place, so we can just give it 1 decimal place. Alright, that's how it works. So let's do this one. Okay, let's say this one here. Alright, so first of all, okay, what we can see here, I just clear this so that they're not distracted you. Alright, now this one is also a parallelogram, right? But then because you got a lot of information here, you only need two lines, right? Two perpendicular lines. So to work it out, you can see clearly this line, okay, is perpendicular to this line here. There you go. Yeah. So now what you do, because this is 12, the bottom here 12, and this also 12 centimeters, because opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. Just keep that in mind for me. So area of this, okay, equal L times height or base times height, which is 12 times 15. Okay, so what's 12 times 15? You can just use calculator if you're not sure. So it's 180 centimeters square. All right. Okay, move on. Next one. Let's go. Now remember, you can do it yourself. Okay, you can do ahead of me or pause the video, try it yourself. Otherwise, I just keep going. Okay, so now two perpendicular lines. We just need to identify them. So this line, look, and this line here. See, the two lines are perpendicular. They meet at 90 degrees, right? The 21 centimeters, we don't need it. Okay, so we only use what we need. So area, okay, is L times height, so which is equal to L is 20, height is 19. So 20 times 19, 2 times 19 is excuse me. So it's equal to 228 centimeters square. All right. Okay, let's do next one. Okay, this one here. Now this one, okay, consists of two parallelograms. Okay, two of them. So I just make this symbol so you can see that exactly. Okay, so this one and this one here, parallel. So now, so to find the shaded area, the best way to go is you identify them first. So the large one, the large area, okay, you just work it out and then you minus the smaller area. So I can just do all together, or you can do A1 or A2 and then you minus it, right? Now I just do all together because it's simple. So the area of the large one, large parallelogram, is 10, look, perpendicular lines, 10 times 14, right? Or 14 times 10. Then I minus the smaller parallelogram, so I minus 12 times 8. Okay, that's all, right? So if you use your calculator, you work it out. Okay, you get 44 centimeters square. See? Now, let's do last one. Okay, now this one here. Let's say this one here, right? Now, when you have a look at this, okay, it looks quite difficult, right? But if you think about it, it's actually two parallelograms as well. Okay, so look, if you connect this together like this, okay, so this side, okay, is parallel. So you got one of these and another one. So you can say this A1, you can do A1, and you can do this is A2, and you work out A1, and then you work out area 2, and then you add them up. As simple as that, right? So to do this, I can do all in one go because it's easier. So I'm gonna area is equal to this part here, area 1. Area 1 is two perpendicular lines times together. So this line here is actually perpendicular to this line here, right? So which is 12 times 8. So that give me this area here. Now I need to work out the second area, which is this one here. Okay, this one here. So this area is at 14 times 5. You see? So as easy as that. So if you just type that in your calculator, you should get 166 centimeters square. Okay, so it's very simple. Now what I want you to do is I want you to try 4 questions for me. Okay, try to do it yourself and I give you the answer as well. Okay, so the first 2 is this. Okay, we start with a basic one. So if you can have a look and you can pause the video, try to do it yourself. Okay, and then try to do this too. Then I got another 2 as well on here. So if you have a look at this, 3 and 4 as well. Okay, so please try to do those. And then number 3, number 4. So have a look at number 4 because number 4 is composite area, which is two different shapes. So if you have a look at the last question, number 4 here, you actually have the larger one is parallelogram, and then the smaller one inside, which is a rectangle. Okay, so you just work out the larger one and the smaller one, and then have a think about it. Okay, see if you can work this out, and the answer is given anyway. Thank you so much for watching my video.